Hello learners, welcome back to the channel Beanpipe School. I am Vijay Lakshmi with you, and while taking classes and even while making these content of velocity, speed, I realized that many of you might be thinking that why at all we should care about finding the velocity since we know the speed, or should we know the speed, just the speed knowledge is enough. Now see, all the motions do not take place in a straight line. Forces do not push along in a straight line always. So, for example, a basketball does not move in a straight line. It moves in a curved path and keeps changing the direction constantly. Now here, describing speed won't work. So we have to use vector for describing motion. So we will have to calculate the velocity, and this will work better since velocity is a vector quantity and speed is a scalar quantity. Now velocity also includes information about direction as well as speed. Now suppose you are driving at a speed of 50 km per hour on a road with a bridge. Now, would we not like to know the velocity? If we only know the speed, we would not know whether we are driving towards or away from the bridge. So that is important. Now next, let us see that suppose two trains are approaching each other in opposite direction, but they are all in, both of them are on the same track. In this case, they need to calculate their relative velocities in order to stop before the collision happens. So we cannot consider the speed of one train. We need to take into account the direction of both the trains as well as the velocity. To know actually when they are coming or when they would cross each other or meet each other at certain point. So this situation cannot be handled with only knowledge of speed. So that is why velocity is important as well as speed too. So here is a comparison, or you can say the differences between speed and velocity. Like speed is defined as the rate of change of distance and velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. Now speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Speed can never be negative or zero. Velocity can be negative, zero or positive. Speed is velocity without direction. Velocity is directed speed. Now speed may or may not be equal to velocity. Velocity of the body may possess different velocities but the same speed. Speed never decreases with time. For a moving body, it is never zero. Velocity decreases with time and it can be zero also for a moving body. The SI unit is measured in meter per second. Velocity also has the same unit, that is meter per second. I hope this has helped you in clearing the doubt on why we need to learn about velocity along with speed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Keep studying.